Alright, this is an update on the 8-position tool turret. I've got a lot of stuff out here on the table. What I'm looking at right here is actually an insulated height gauge that I'll set for the center height of the work in the chuck, and that'll automatically set the tool height in Acorn. This is the power supply and the controller for the stepper motor. This is a pulse generator, and then there's a system timer that delays everything turning on until everything has come up. This here is a reverse timer and a relay to change a positive input to a negative input. So I'll kind of show you how this works to start with. I'm going to turn the power on, and the first thing you should see is a delay timer start, and it's going to delay 10 seconds before it allows anything to happen. Okay, now it's actually turned on the power supply for the actual motor. It delays that so nothing can happen until everything's fired up. At this point in time, I'm going to turn the timer off for reverse, and I'm going to do an automatic tool touch off. So if you watch, you'll see it automatically run the tool up and it stops. At this point in time, I'd push a button on Arduino and it would save this as a tool position. Okay, I want to shut that off just to get it out of the way. Turn my timer back on, and now I'm gonna, this switch here actually is just a representation of the relay from Acorn that turns on the turret to look for the next tool position that it's ordering. I'm going to turn that switch on, and you watch as I turn this, when it actually finds a tool position, you'll see the tool turret reverse. It's a very turn my speed back up here. You'll see it reverse a very small amount, and that's just enough to lock the sprag on the turret. There's no sprag in it right now, that's why you see it back up. Under normal conditions, you wouldn't see it back up. But every time I turn it off, it'll lock. So that's where it's at right now. 4 relays, 2 timers, a pulse generator, power supply, a motor driver, and a stepper motor. But that's my workaround because I couldn't get the Acorn software to work for this turret. But this will definitely work now. So now the Arduino software, a guy is helping me write that Arduino software so that instead of my tool positions being in 45-degree increments, because the tool heights are different between tools where the actual cutting edge is, I'm going to set tool heights with the gauge instead of just saying 45, 90, 270 or whatever. It will, I'll rotate it, it'll set it, and no matter where it is on that 360-degree circle, it'll save it as that tool number, if that makes any sense. I know this video is probably pretty jumpy, but hopefully everybody understood that. Thank you.